Welcome everyone, virtually and those who are there present in the Motherland Yurumein. My name is Cheryl Noralez, the founder of the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United. I am honored to welcome you to the 10th International Garifuna Conference brought to you by the Garifuna Heritage Foundation of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. As an Indigenous people, we must always acknowledge our ancestors and our history. We can't do this by participating in discussion and educational gatherings like this. Some can take on the mantle to fight for the restitution owed to us for the stolen Indigenous land. The most important thing is to be conscious of who we are and what we are fighting for as Garinagu, who are amongst the descendants of the first people of the Caribbean. Ayo.
Thank you, Cheryl. My name is Ronnie Figueroa. I am the Vice President and co-founder of the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United here in Los Angeles County, state of California. GAHFU is a nonprofit 501c3 organization founded in 2005 with the purpose of the preservation of the language and culture. As part of the preservation efforts, we have published the Garifuna language workbook available on Amazon for $19.99. It is a wonderful learning tool for all those interested in learning the language. We also conduct drumming, dance, culture, and history workshops at colleges and universities throughout the country and the diaspora. For example, we travel to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We were part of the contingent that went there in 2019, invited by the then Honorable Mr. Maki to conduct 6 different workshops in the Garifuna communities in St. Vincent, such as Fancy, Sandy Bay, Georgetown. We had with us well-known singer-composer Mr. Aurelio Martinez, drummer and singer Bodoma, Wanarawa chief Mr. Flavio Alvarez, and Wanarawa dancer and master drummer Carlos Domingo Alvarez, Gayusa, our singer, Miss Berta Loredo, master drummer Glenn Garcia, my beautiful wife Cheryl was there as well, and the director of GAHFU's dance ensemble, Mrs. Erica Zuniga. So we wish you the best on this grandiose event, and which is the 10th International Conference. Ayo.